Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is another KLSE update on the 3rd of February 2021. Disclaimer, be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I'm just sharing my trading story. Any information contained on this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for use of information in this video. Trading stock market involves high risk and please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. More information in the description box below. Okay, let's look at the global market first. Okay, KLSE. Okay, KLSE went up 0.158. So later we talk about the candlestick. Okay, it doesn't look very optimistic, but it went up nonetheless. Singapore STI went up 0.34, not bad. Hang Seng, okay, we are talking about the Asian stock, Asian stock market, Asian index. Hong Kong, okay, went up 0.2, good. South Korea went up 1.06%. Okay, Nikkei went up 1%. Thailand dropped 0.3%. Philippines dropped 0.1%. FTSE China went up 0.36%. S&C Composite actually dropped. Okay, probably something related with the reinfection of the COVID, because China, the reinfection of the COVID actually dampened the economy a little bit. Okay, this one could be due to that. And let's see Australia. Okay, Australia also went up 0.9, very good. Okay, very good for the Asian market, except China. Okay, except China, all the Asian market is doing not bad. Let's go into the okay, New Zealand also went up. Okay, New Zealand also went up 0.3. Okay, let's go into the Europe. FTSE, Britain, UK went up 0.169%. DAX went up 0.5. Okay, so actually the index actually recovered. Okay, and for the Europe from the last week, okay, the big drop last week, and US also. Okay, Dow Jones went up 1.57, quite a lot, and the S&P 500 also went up 1.39%. Okay, so this is a recovery. Last week we were talking about a big drop, right, on the Dow Jones and the S&P. Okay, so this week actually it started to recover. The important one we want to look at is this one. Okay, the palm oil actually went up 1.64%. Brent oil, this one, Brent oil and crude oil actually went up. Okay, Brent oil went up to 57 per barrel, 57.98, 0.9%, and crude oil went up 55.13 per barrel at 0.67%. Okay, so this one good, very good for the oil. Okay, today they are having this OPEC meeting the whole day, so probably there are some good news coming up. Okay, so the oil is optimistic. Okay, but you still need to track. Okay, tomorrow whether what is the result of the OPEC meeting. Okay, if the OPEC meeting is optimistic, okay, they want to cut down, the production and drive up the stock price, the oil price. So oil stock could be in play. Okay, and we look at the oil. We will look at the stock. Okay, the oil stock and all the other stock later. Okay, silver went up 1.56, but silver is very dangerous because there are war. Okay, between the Reddit group and the hedge fund. Okay, so this one can be very volatile. Okay, gold went up 0.2, silver went up 1.5. So okay, let's look at the local market. Okay, gainers KLSE 641, losers 373. Okay, actually quite bullish, quite good, quite strong recovery. Okay, I think mainly partially due to this one. Malaysia expected to get this news, right, to get Pfizer COVID vaccine on this February 26. Okay, February 26 quite near. Okay, they will start to administer quite a lot. We are talking about 12. Okay, 12.2 million doses. Okay, reportedly purchased, and now they are also purchased another 12.2 million. Okay, so come up to almost like 25 million. Okay, 25 million vaccine for this one could be enough for a lot of people. Okay, in Malaysia. Okay, so the market is optimistic actually due to this. So if the vaccination is successful, right? Okay, we need to take a look at the recovery stock, okay, rather than the healthcare stock. Because healthcare stock, if vaccine is coming, okay, the gloves are jamming, okay. So we have to look at this. Okay, KLCI, okay, KLCI, this is what I said. Okay, the Hirami, right? Actually, okay, yesterday, okay, it printed a Hirami, okay, which means that there is possibility that the stock will reverse. Okay, Hirami is a chart pattern, okay, that indication that there could be a direction change. Okay, so the market actually tried to push it up, but at the end of the day, it got pushed down. Okay, it actually went up to 1599, okay, this morning, today, but actually at the end of the day, right, it went from 1582, okay, to 1598, okay, over 10 points, right, over 16, okay, around 15, 16 points, okay, but at the end it get pushed down, back down to, okay, 1582, okay, so very little gain, okay, very little gain at the end of the day. So let's go into a quick story mode, see what happened to all the traders. Okay, so market open 9 o'clock, 9:15 sideways, okay, then until 9:30, okay, there's a big push up, okay, 9:30 big push up until 10 o'clock, the institution, the bankers, the fund managers come in, okay, they started to sell down the stocks, okay, sell down until lunchtime, okay, after lunchtime, 2:30 open, a big surge again, a big bond up, then after that at 3 o'clock starting to be sold down again until, okay, until market close, okay, so at the end of the day, the market is in the down sentiment, okay, it's a downward sentiment at the end of the day, okay, it's a bearish at the end of the day, bullish in the morning, bearish in the evening. That's why we printed out a pin bar, okay, a pin bar. Okay, so we still have to see, okay, this Hirami, okay, where it break, okay, it break up the Hirami or it break down the Hirami pattern, okay, if it breaks down, okay, possible, okay, it will retest 1553 and 1541, okay, if it breaks up, okay, if it breaks up and possibility goes above this 1613, then possible there is a bullish sentiment, okay, or a bull market developing, and RSI, okay, potentially go above 50, okay, then we are indication of a strong bull market coming, okay. This one we have to see what happened here, okay, this Hirami candle, what happened to this formation, okay, a break upward or a break downward. Okay, then we need to check the sector. Okay, so today, right, the biggest gain, right, is by far is the mineral, energy mineral, means the oil, right. So oil, the big gainers are HENYUAN, Hibiscus, Petron, and Rich. Okay, so HENYUAN 9.82, Hibiscus 6.48, Petron 6.81, and Rich 5.88. Okay, let's look at HENYUAN. Okay, very strong break, very strong break of the flag pattern. Okay, this is a flag pattern consolidation, a retracement pattern. Okay, so it actually break up from the flag pattern, indication there is a strong buying sentiment. Okay, and RSI also from below 50 went above 50. Okay, a strong upward push, and also bigger volume, okay, bigger volume 2 days in a row, so bigger volume, okay, so there's a lot of buying interest and also a strong push to for HENYUAN, okay. So the first target we look at will be the 6 ringgit area, okay, which is the previous resistance here. The second target will be the 7 ringgit area, okay. So potentially, okay, the price will continue to go up. Looking at this strong push, okay, the price continue to go up to 6 ringgit, 6 ringgit. If you break 6 ringgit, we're looking at 7 ringgit, okay. And if the RSI actually, okay, in any circumstances, right, just in case, right, okay, the OPEC have the meeting have a big disagreement, okay, and the price of the oil, crude oil and Brent oil went down, okay, we have to check this one, okay. Make sure the price doesn't come back down, okay, inside this range, okay, this below this, okay, trend line, which is 5 ringgit area, okay, the price doesn't go below 5 ringgit and RSI doesn't go back below 50, okay. If the RSI go back below 50 and this one drop below 5 ringgit, so the indication buying momentum loss, maybe it's a cut loss, okay. So as long as the price above 50, 5 ringgit, okay, it's a good opportunity that the price can continue to go up. A very strong break, okay. Look at HENYUAN, very strong sentiment. Hibiscus, just now I did a full video without activating the mic. Somehow the mic was not connected properly, so I finished the whole video. When I tried to edit and play back, there's no sound. Okay, so this is a second recording for this video. So hopefully this time, okay, it gets get done properly. Okay, so look at hibiscus, right? Hibiscus is also breakout, but the breakout is not so clear. Okay, not clean. Okay, this is the pattern. Okay, the consolidation pattern. Okay, zigzag inside this pattern, right? You see zigzag inside this pattern, right? So now it finally broke out. Okay, it broke out at this area, and but the problem is after it break out, right? There is also a strong selling at the end of the day, right? A strong selling due to some reason that we don't know. Okay, that I don't know, not we don't, I don't know. But and the RSI also just went a little bit above 50. Okay, so this is a bit more risky than the other two. Okay, I'm not saying the other two will confirm to go up. Okay, guarantee will go up. There's no guarantee in the stock market. If can guarantee everyone become millionaire. So, but that one, the potential, you look at the charge, right, is stronger. Okay, this one, the charge is not that strong. Okay, because they are selling, there is a worry. Okay, worried here. Okay, so okay, so you see, I marked this one last time at this area for a rebound. Okay, so it actually it did rebound. Okay, this is the trend line. Okay, so I mark this area, 575 area, okay, as a place that price might rebound. Okay, so actually the price actually did rebound. Okay, but this one can continue or not. We want to see the price to go above this one, possible about the 60 cent area. Okay, if the price can go above 60 cent, then we'll be looking at 67 cent and 75 cent area. Okay, but it has to show, okay, the ability to continue to go up. Okay, 670 and 76. Okay, this one is not convincing. Okay, let's go into the story mode. Okay, go into story mode, see what happened today. Okay, 9:15 market open, it was sideways. Okay, a bit of up, a bit down, a bit up, a bit down, a bit up, a bit down. Until lunchtime, also sideways. Okay, so last minute at 3:45, okay, there's a big pump went up. Okay, the price surged until 590. Okay, but at 4 o'clock sharp, okay, the people start selling it. Okay, people start selling it until 57 cents, okay, until 4.30, the price was sideways. Okay, so this one is a uncertainty. Okay, this one is a bit worrisome. Why people, okay, start to sell at this area? Okay, whereas the other two stock, right, it is a strong thrust upwards. Okay, but this one got sold at the end of the day, so this one is a bit more risky for me. Okay. So, but it's still a breakout nonetheless. Okay, it's still a breakout nonetheless. Okay, only it's not as strong as the other two. Okay, the next one is which is not not heavily traded. Okay, it's light traded stock. Okay, so they are not as their chart, right, it's not as solid as the other three. Okay, but it does show a pattern, right? It does show a pattern. Okay, of a channel. Okay, so it's still, okay, zigzag, okay, within the channel. So you see the price actually now coming back to the bottom of the channel. Last time I marked at the 9 cent. Okay, so there is no indication of bounce yet. So this one we ignore it first. Okay, until it can show a big push. Okay, big candle, something like this. Okay, a big push up. Okay, so only we will consider to buy this one. Okay, but now there's no strong surge, and also the RSI also still below 50, so this is not a good place to buy yet. Okay, until we see a good indication of a surge. Okay, a push up. So let's see what stock I talked about yesterday. JAG. Okay, let's take a look at JAG. Okay, so JAG actually the price went up yesterday but came back down today. Okay, this is normal. Okay, a big push, right? The next day we have some kind of adjustment. Okay, so as long as it's still above 50%, okay, still good. Okay, still looks good, and RSI, okay, it's still above 50. Okay, it looks good. Okay, unless RSI drop back below 50%, one thing. The second thing is, okay, the price actually dropped back below. Okay, drop below. Okay, drop back below 2 ringgit. Okay, will be 20 cent. Okay, could be a possibility to cut loss. Okay, so, or, okay, if you want to be safer, right, if you want to be safe, okay, the next point will be, okay, here. Okay, below, if the price drop below this candle, right, so there's a possibility to cut loss. Okay, but the more important one is this one, it don't drop below 20 cent and below RSI 50. Okay, below 50 RSI. So it's indication of the loss of buying momentum. Okay, so, okay, this is my video for today. Remember, okay, remember to like my video and share my video. Okay, share it with your friends, share it with your YouTube, share it to WhatsApp, you know, so get some good link, okay, from Google. And also remember to subscribe and hit the bell, okay, to get the instant update once I see any opportunity, when I post any ad hoc video, so you can get my instant update. Okay, so stay safe from COVID. See you again. Bye bye.